Stop giving away your solar energy for free. If you have a rooftop system pumping out 5 kilowatts, but your house is only using 1 kilowatt, then the rest, 4 kilowatts, goes right onto the street for pennies. And in the evening you must buy it back for 5 or 6 times as expensive. This is happening all over the world right now as grid operators try to protect their overstressed grid. Today I show how a DIY solution can safely put you back into the driver's seat and keep all the PV energy for yourself. Is this just like a normal home battery? Not quite so. For this one you don't need a massive off-grid overhaul. You can do it in steps, starting with a limited budget. By using a smart meter next to the utility meter, the battery spies in real time if they are escaping electrons. And the moment that rooftop PV energy tries to escape to the street, a Wi-Fi signal tells the battery to absorb this electricity and give it back later, just like net metering. And how you do that, you can compare it with lakes which are on different levels. How do all these devices decide where the current goes? Compared with these lakes, water flows from high to low. If the difference is large, it will do so with much power, for example from Lake Erie to Lake Ontario. Imagine that you push up and down the bottom of these lakes, then you decide where the water goes and how quick. Here you see the 4 lakes, PV battery, consumer and grid. By slightly changing the voltage levels between them, the system helps you to get the power flow where you want. And this is a DIY solution that works with loose panels that you can have in a garden, on the wall or anywhere or on a balcony. But it can also work with the roof system, which you have already. Another difference is that the standard PV roof systems, when there's a blackout on the street, your PV system stops working also, even if you have batteries. And that's for the safety of the grid workers. But with this home battery you can just switch it to off-grid and then you can in all safety have your own isolated home grid. More info about that is in the description. Working close to the electricity meter can be tricky. In the guide I will tell you what you can do safely yourself and what's better to leave to an electrician. Last week I tried to do this zero exports trick with other hardware, Shelly, but that was so cumbersome and this solution here is a piece of cake, hardly more expensive. And now I am ready to keep an additional 2 kilowatt hours or the energy of 4 hours of an air conditioner all in my house, in this battery, avoiding it from escaping to the grid. And those 4 hours, they are precious in the evening, because in the evening you still need these air conditioners. But your PV system is sleeping. So now imagine that you have every night 2 kilowatt hours in addition. The Americans, they have a slightly different EcoFlow system. The smallest battery is 6 kilowatt hours and that's 3 times as big as this battery. But as a comfort, the Americans don't pay 3 times as much as I paid for this battery. But even with the price of this 800 euros, it's really worth to buy it also in Europe. You start in an easy way, just with one battery, one module. And it brings already so much value. And the expansion is very flexible. And that will bring you to the total off-grid capability. And then next year you can celebrate the Grid Independence Day. Because extreme heat waves are already here, I've prepared a complete 10-page guide, step by step, with many screenshots to guide you through the application, which is not well documented in the manual of the EcoFlow. Look also to the previous 2 PDF guides, which I wrote all about this battery, And if you like the video, put your thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. I wish you good energy.